India currently has a population of 1.2 billion, of which 400 million children are below the age of 16. Of these, 360 million are school-going children, and to cater to them, we have 1.5 million registered schools currently operating in India. The advancement in technology and the lifestyle changes over the last decade have resulted in very little or no physical activity, and thereby resulting in increased instances of childhood diabetes, obesity, blood pressure, etc. Here is some information about childhood obesity that you may not have known. Rising childhood obesity in urban India and in other developing countries is of great concern and would fuel the diabetes and the metabolic syndrome epidemics further. Statistics reveal there is an increase in overweight or obese citizens by 20% between 1998 and 2005. Presently, 1 in 6 women and 1 in 5 men are overweight in India. 20% of youngsters in the age group of 14 to 18 in India are overweight or obese. Tamil Nadu has the third highest number of obese patients. Here is some information about how children are consuming lifestyle foods today. As you can see, clearly children of all age groups display high levels of willingness to be physically active. The popular myth is that all of us as parents, teachers, teach children correct diet and lifestyle. But in reality, most do not have the correct knowledge or time to educate children. Healthy snacks are not prepared at home. Many parents and teachers are obese themselves. No cohesive intervention program is currently available in India. Here you can see children attending the lectures on healthy living, and here are teachers participating in a lecture on healthy living. Our vision is to enable children to become world-class sportspersons and exceptional icons of fitness, physical, emotional, intellectual, social, and spiritual. Our mission is the establishment of an integrated learning environment that is innovative, thought-provoking, and leadership-driven. Our program is designed to impact the lives of all school-going children between 4 and 18 years in age in all metropolitan cities, upcoming satellite cities, and towns in India, who generally fall in the middle and in the higher middle income levels. And our objectives are to enable children to identify their latent talent in fitness and sports related fields and provide the needed expertise, motivation and support to excel in the field of their choice. Development of multifacetedness. Enable them to imbibe rich values, stimulate and nurture sound leadership qualities. Create an environment that stimulates the thought process related to body, mind and soul. Impart knowledge and skills related to entrepreneurship, effective communication, and other related soft skills. Here are the keys to our success. A precise and well-designed sports curriculum that is free from confusion for the coaches and the students. A bi-monthly assessment of the mission by the research and development team in every school and college. A guaranteed result-oriented program towards a healthy lifestyle. The startup plan includes the steps explained below, such as adopting, designing and obtaining copyrights of the curriculum, the registration of the company, designing the website, procuring office space and equipment, hiring workforce, process of evaluation, reporting structures, and the plan for further growth and development. Mission Sports serves schools with sports curriculum and provides equipment and training as products. Mission Sports delivers a physical fitness report card that indicates the progress of the individual for healthy life. Mission Sports provides research and development to improve schools' performance in sports. A package of complete curriculum in FitKid and in 8 different sports such as athletics, basketball, cricket, football, swimming, tennis, badminton and volleyball. In addition, yoga and aerobics will be delivered. Laptops for coaches to maintain records, submit reports and deliver content that is loaded into the system. Well-trained sports coaches to train students and maintain records and guide them at all times. Training for coaches and nutritionists to carry out the curriculum of Mission Sports assigned schools and colleges. Program pattern delivers on desired objective by addressing all needs such as psychological, sports science, physiological, technical and tactical, and nutrition. The program layout consists of 5 stages from fundamental development all the way to training to win. Here you can see them all listed out. Mission Sports curriculum is designed in such a way that students would get good foundation and knowledge of every sport. Mission Sports takes extensive care in providing age-appropriate training for every student. Strong fundamentals, an active start for students from KG to 3rd. Strong foundation on multi-sports for students between age of 10 to 15. Etiquette, hygiene, sports science, sports psychology, sports physiology, sports technique and training videos for students from standard 4th to 12th, that is 10 to 18 years. Training to compete and training to win for students from 9th to 12th. Necessity of multisport. There are many examples of professional athletes who played more than one sport while growing up. These individuals were able to get to the top of their game without specializing at an early age. Many high school and college coaches believe that it is absolutely a good idea to participate in multiple sports. Kids used to develop these broad athletic skills by playing multiple sports and neighborhood games, which develop agility, balance, coordination, evading skills, body control, and more. Children go through different stages of training at different age levels, as you can see here. A child is taken through active start and fundamentals when it's growing between 5 to 9 years. When it reaches the age of 10, it goes through learning to train program where fundamental sports skills are taught. Through the age of 12 to 18, the child goes through stages of training to train and training to compete. Here it builds physical and mental abilities. Finally, when it is 18 years old, it goes through training to win, which deals with high performance sports. Carry out professional development workshop for 6 days for coaches and nutritionists to work with very high standards of work ethics and culture. Prepare a physical fitness report card that will be a marker for students' continuous progress and decide corrections required. A research and development team that closely works with the school and colleges to fulfill the objectives of Mission Sports. Only Mission Sports provides sports science, theory classes, personality development, aerobics and yoga. Research and development team and has a feedback system. A state-of-the-art high-performance academy shall be conducted and implemented between 4 to 6 p.m. every day for the selected sport on school campus by the coach. The exact time is to be decided mutually by Mission Sports Private Limited and the school. High Performance Academy membership fee is ₹1,000 per student per month. Mission Sports Private Limited to exclusively conduct a 1-month summer camp academy for one sport during school summer holidays. The fee of ₹1,500 per student will be applicable. The daily sessions duration of the summer camp shall not exceed 2 hours. A rise in the number of league matches and sports events in India is demanding professional sportsmen. 50% of the international events in sports in the history of India were hosted between 2010 and 2012. All schools are thriving need of a well-designed system that gives education, resources and training in the field of sports according to a survey conducted by Mission Sports India. There are 1.2 million schools in the whole of India. Sports coaches would have played sports at their highest levels in the country. The cost of hiring, training and maintenance will be kept to the least. From our research, we have concluded that the requirements of schools can vary widely. For example, we could have schools that have all the necessary equipment, but they need coaching support. On the other hand, we also have found schools which may need both equipment and coaches. Keeping in mind all the above factors, we have designed the following structures. In structure 1, we will target 5 schools in the first year with 7 coaches. In the second year, we target 15 schools and we require 18 coaches. The third year, we target 30 schools with 35 coaches. In the fourth year, we target 60 schools with 67 coaches, and in the fifth year, we target 100 schools with 110 coaches. In structure 2, in the first year, we target 50 schools with 55 coaches. The second year, we target 100 schools with 110 coaches. In the third year, we target 150 schools with 165 coaches. In the fourth year, we target 200 schools with 220 coaches, and in the fifth year, we target 250 schools with 275 coaches. A team of marketing experts of Mission Sports will visit schools in India to market Mission Sports in 50 schools in the first phase. 50 schools will be provided with Mission Sports coach in the ratio of 500 students to 1 coach. Every school is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. Coaches will be equipped with a laptop to complete the curriculum year-round. All 50 schools will be assigned a nutritionist who delivers instructions and prepares the physical fitness report card. A website will be established to update and maintain records related to Mission Sports in schools. Continuous feedback and follow-up mechanism will be established through internet updating systems. A system of receiving and sorting grievances within 10 working days will be established. Listed here are the manpower or the workforce requirement for the proposed project. The number of employees are subject to change when Mission Sports network of schools expand. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I look forward to working with you so as to meet your goals and objectives in a professional manner.